we're talking about today. I'm going to show you our exhaust gas economizer exhaust gas boiler. The ship has two of them. It's used to make your steam at sea. Our main one is driven off the main engine, which is running now. That's big. I'll show you that one. And then what they've done in modern times, as fuel prices have gone up, they've added a smaller secondary one, and that runs off of the generator exhaust. Ours only has, it's only hooked up to one generator. I guess there's different iterations and costs and everything. But I'm going to show you what they look like. What we're going to do today is we're going to water wash it because it's sooty, and I'll show you how that's done. We're going to collect it in what's called, what we call a King's Point gasket, which is a piece of plastic, and then pump the water into a holding tank, and the holding tank's disposed to shore. One thing you have to know is with soot, it does have oil in it, so you can't. It's got to be disposed of properly. So don't do anything. And ours is going to be sent to shore for disposal. It's pretty hard to deal with. It's none of your processing equipment likes it. It's just hard to get rid of. Anyway, let me show you what it looks like. We're on the main deck now, and so these are in the uptake. All the machinery is below us, really. But let me show you what it looks like. So here's the little one that we're going to be working on today. And that's about 10 feet tall. And then here's the big one coming off the main engine. And that's about 15 to 20. That's the manhole for the big one. You can see the big one coming off. And you're right above the main engine. Yeah, like I said, all we're going to do is wash that soot down. So, we've got our pump, and that's like hose valve we're going to do with respirator, safety goggles, and we'll go from there. All right.